there's no need to rush around. Inside of everybody there's sun and laughter to be found.
Hello, today I'm going to do a brief tutorial on how you can check out ebooks and audiobooks using the Sora app. From the Beaverton School District website, open your student apps and click on BSD Library Resources. This will be familiar to my 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students. Go to elementary and K-8 schools, then to Sato. You can get to this same page by starting at the Sato website and clicking on Library. Today we're going to focus on borrowing ebooks and audiobooks. We're going to click here to open the Sora app. If you've never logged in before, then you'll start by selecting your school. And you will log in as a K-5 student using your Clever app. So once you've logged in with your Clever account, you'll see that it's taken us right to Beaverton School District. There are several ways to explore what's available on Sora. As I scroll down, you can see there is a lot of content. April is National Poetry Month, so at the bottom we have novels in verse. It's a great time to look for a little bit of joy, and these featured titles will change periodically. March and April are award season, so we have recent award winners, brand new books that have just been added to Sora in the last couple weeks. Our OBOB titles for 2021. Books that are always available. Most books in the Sora app work just like a regular library book. There is one copy and it is checked out to one person at a time. But some of the books we have are we have unlimited checkouts available. Our most popular titles, brand new books for audio, brand new ebooks, and books that are available for checkout right now. Maybe you know you only want to read mystery books. You can look under subject to find a list of our mystery books that are available. As you see this blue borrow button, all you have to do is click this button and the book will be checked out to you. It opens it automatically. I can click through to read. At any time, I can skip ahead. I can also bookmark my spot and save my place for when I come back to this later. Instead of seeing borrow, I see open book because it's already checked out to me. If a book has already been checked out and is not available, you also have the opportunity to place a hold just by clicking, and now you see that I'm in the wait list. At the bottom, I can click on my shelf to see what I have checked out. I can also see my holds. By clicking on wait list, I can see how much longer it is likely to be before that book becomes available to me. And again, from here, I can open the book. If I don't return it, it will be returned automatically at the end of the checkout period. So in this case, it would be 13 days. But I'm finished with this book, so I'm going to return it now so that someone else has the opportunity to check it out right away. If I know exactly what I want, then from the Explore screen, I can type the title and go directly to that book. Most of these results are eBooks. This one I can see from the icon is an audiobook. It allows me to listen to a sample or to read a sample before I borrow or place a hold on any of those titles. If you have placed books on hold, you want to check out or open your Sora app periodically. That's where you'll see the alert, and when the book becomes available, it is checked out to you automatically. Maybe I'm just not finding what I want today, or everything I am looking for has long wait periods. Click this hamburger menu in the corner. You'll see that I'm signed in as Mrs. Fry from Beaverton School District, but there's this option to add a public library card, and every one of you now has a youth access card from Washington County. I can type in Washington County, I can type in Beaverton, and here I see Washington County Cooperative Library Services. This is my library. And now I am seeing not only the collection available through Beaverton, but also the collection available at Washington County. If you have lost your youth access card or you're a new student and don't have that physical copy, your Washington County Library card are the letters BSD followed by your 6-letter or your 6-digit student number. That's the number you use to check out library books, buy hot lunches, log into your Chromebooks. It's the number that your parents use to log into ParentView. And if you have not reset your password, that Washington County password will be the last 4 digits of your 6-digit student number. Back in the Explore tab at the top of the screen, I can see that I can toggle between Beaverton School District and Washington County Library. If I were to search for a book, I want to make sure that this option to search all of my libraries is selected. And now I can see that I have, for next year's OBOB list, I can place a hold on either the ebook or the audiobook of 910. I recommend you do. I finished it last week, found it was just great. If you have any questions about how to use Sora, you can always reach out and ask me. I hope that you find lots of great things to read. I know I have. Happy reading.